Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make mango pudding. For this we need canned mango pulp. I am going to take half of it. Brand doesn't matter, variety doesn't matter. You can take any brand, any variety of mango pulp. And then I am going to take whipped topping. Here also brand doesn't matter. And also if you don't have whipped topping, then you can buy whipping cream and you can make whipped topping. Then I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. Again, brand doesn't matter, you can take any brand. Here I'm going to use only 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. So let's start preparing. Here I'm going to take half box of whipped topping, that is around 100 grams of it. If you don't have whipped topping, you can buy normal whipping cream and add 2-3 tablespoons of sugar to it and beat it with a blender or hand mixer and you will get whipped topping. Now I am going to add only 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. We will mix it both nicely, and after that I am going to add half can of mango pulp. And if you are making for 8 to 10 person, then you need a full can of mango pulp, and in that case take 1 full can of mango pulp, with that 1 full box of whipped topping and 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. But here I am going to take only half can of it, that's why I have taken only half box of whipped topping. I added almost 400 grams of mango pulp. You can take any brand, any variety of mango pulp. Variety and brand doesn't affect your taste. But if you are trying to make it out of fresh mango, then the taste will be totally different and you will have to add lots of sugar to your mango pulp. But here there is no need to add extra sugar because we have sugar in mango pulp and also we have sugar in our condensed milk and whipped topping. Now you can see I have mixed it nicely, and now I'll store it in fridge for half an hour to 1 hour. After that I'll add fruits. For fruits you can add apple, grapes, strawberry or ripe mango, kiwi and pomegranate. Just remember, do not add banana, that will spoil your dessert. Now I'll cover it and I'll store it in fridge for at least 30 minutes. If you are expecting guests, so make it 1 hour before and store it in refrigerator for 1 hour. After 30 minutes I took it out from the refrigerator. Now I'm going to add apple. I have only apple with me right now, so I'm going to add only apple. But if you have grapes or strawberry or kiwi or mango, that gives nice taste. I also added few pieces of cashew. You can add cashew or almond or raisins if you like. And on top of it, if you garnish it with pomegranate seeds, so it looks awesome. So just try whatever fruits you have, you can add and serve it. In this dessert, if you add lots of fruits, the taste will be more. Only thing you need to remember, cut your fruits to small pieces. Till yet, whenever I served this dessert to my guest, everyone has liked it. Kids used to love it. So this is quick, easy and no cooking dessert. So definitely try this recipe and let me know how is it. And do not forget to subscribe my channel for new recipes every week.